Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is a how-to video and it's how to set up Homelink in less than 2 minutes. So before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to notify new videos. And if you like my video to the end, please help me out with a thumbs up. Hi everybody, so I thought I'd make a video on my Lexus TX here. It's a 500h and windshield pearl. We're going to talk about the Homelink garage door opener. It's very simple to set up. There's 3 switches. You see that on the Homelink. And of course, you need a remote control of garage door openers. This is an easier way than hitting the button on the garage door opener than syncing it up. So just hold this button over here. Well, actually, you want to hold the remote first. Let me do that again. Hold the remote first, then you hold any of the buttons on the garage door opener. All right. Notice the yellow LED became green. So pretty much it's paired already, right? So when it's paired, I'm just going to hold it all the way down, let go both. You should be synced now. So when you hit the button over here, you will notice the garage door opener opens up. And you want to test it out a few times. I mean, I found this method a lot easier than going look for the switch in back of the garage door opener and syncing it that way. But if that works for you, that might be another alternative. So syncing the remote through the remote for the garage door Homelink system actually works really easy for me, and it's probably less than 2 minutes to set up. Hopefully you like this video. I really appreciate a thumbs up, comment to share, please leave it below. Please smash subscribe, and let's see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.